What's up, everybody? Man, a little dirty. But anyways, what's up? I just got some new part for the truck, for the Dodge. My power steering gearbox has gone out, and there was a bunch of different options that I could choose. There was the blue top, the red top, and then there was PSC, and then there was a couple other ones. I was gonna get a red top, and I decided not to with all the reviews that I've had looked up, and they said the customer service wasn't very good and their product failed within a couple months to a year. Still had the sloppy Dodge steering and blowing out seals. So I decided to go with PSC. Everybody says go with PSC, you won't go back. It's a brand new unit. But let's unbox it. Knife. Jesus. That's why it had frickin' staples in it. Looks like we got some new hardware here. This one does sit farther off the side of the frame rail, so they give you spacers and looks like longer bolts. Okay, so this is a 6-bolt instead of 4. It's got a bigger sector shaft. Holy smokes, is it heavy? So this is a completely brand new unit, if I can say. So the redheads and the blue tops are all remanufactured. Maybe 6 bolts. The other one only has 4. So it's a lot bigger. Let's see, probably some warranty deal. Oh, installation thing. Oh, okay. But this thing is super heavy already. I can't wait to put this on. I'm not going to put this on right away. I still got to wait to get power steering lines. And I don't know if I might get a steering shaft too. I've heard that the Dodge stock ones, the bushings are bad in the shaft. So it causes a lot of that looseness after you rebuild the front end and stuff like that. You still have sloppy steering, wandering steering. So steering shaft should fix most of that right along with this box. So there's the PSC box. Got a part number right here, SG851. I'll be doing an install video on this when I get everything that I need to get. Other than that, that's the box. And I'll show you what the truck looks like during that install video, because I haven't showed anybody what it looks like yet. Only friends and family know. But other than that, that's the box. Alright, I'll see you guys.